हाय एवरीबॉडी। सो आज हम इधर आए हैं फॉर अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल रीज़न एंड दैट इज़ मेरे हस्बैंड का न्यू बुक लॉन्च हो रहा है एंड या सो वी आर हियर फॉर दैट टुडे. So I want to actually show you the book which he has written. It has been published recently. So yeah, this is the book. आई होप आप सब इस बुक को पढ़ें एंड देखें हाउ इट गोज बिकॉज इसने बहुत दिल से बनाया है ये लिखा है ये बुक. So yeah, this is his book he has written and it got published recently and it is out in certain websites. So please go ahead and buy this book as well. So yeah, हम इनसे भी जान ले कि what made him to write this book. Yeah,
Yeah.
please start.
Thank you for giving me this special opportunity. तो मैं ये बुक अपने रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से लिखा हूँ, ठीक है. एंड आई हैव आल्सो एडेड सम पार्ट्स, लाइक थोड़ा मसाला तो डालना पड़ता है. सो आई हैव एडेड सम पार्ट्स इन इट. सो इट्स अ फिक्शनल रोमांटिक लव स्टोरी एंड इट एक्चुअली डिपिक्ट्स द सोसाइटी जहाँ पे हम in rural areas and all, जहाँ पे like women का condition and all, like उनका society में उनका status and all, and in that situation अगर they get involved in a romantic affair with someone, तो society उसको कैसे treat करते हैं, उसका क्या outcome होता है. And actually लोगों को ये पसंद आना चाहिए because it has all those features of an old school romance, like you fall in love, then you give everything in it, and then they go with the flow, and then destiny उनको कहाँ ले जाती है, that definitely will entertain the audience को. अच्छा लगेगा. इसमें काफ़ी सारा वो फीचर्स है जो कि यंग ऑडियंस को भी पसंद आएगा, लाइक जो लोग कभी कोरियन ड्रामास एंड ऑल वो सब देख के वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा उस पे
मोटिवेटेड हो जाते हैं.
एंड
Yeah.
इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, तो इसमें भी that old school romance can also give them a kind of
True, true,
different flavor.
absolutely. Yeah.
So I hope everybody reads it and they give their feedback. Like this is my first book, so definitely I need your feedback to know, like इसमें क्या अच्छा है, क्या और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है, so that I can get encouraged to write more stories like this in future.
Yeah, so motivation एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. We all get motivated or some or the other from different people. So I would like to know कि what made you motivated to write this book.
Yeah, so like every literary creation comes from your emotions. So इसमें
True, you're
काफ़ी,
absolutely right. Yeah.
like if you fall in love, I think everybody has loved someone at some point of their time. Okay, तो वो emotions जब अंदर रहता है and you just want to pen it down, and उसके बाद आप वो उसको बाहर सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हो. So that actually, like कि इसमें all those emotions are there, like romance के लिए and everything. So वही मुझे मोटिवेट किया, encourage किया कि this story should come out to people, and they should read, and they should also go through the experiences with me.
Alright, so we want to know, actually मुझे तो पता है, but all of us want to know आप कब से ये book लिखना start किए हो, as in when did you start writing this book and how was the process and उसके बाद publish कैसा हुआ and उसके बाद how did it happen? All
Okay.
total the whole journey we all want to know that.
Yes, so I started writing this in the year 2017. तो तब से मैं start किया था. तो like at the beginning काफ़ी सारे emotions and all थे, तो it was easy to start. But then एक book लिखना is like एक long process है. Like you always do not get the words or those emotions and everything, वो साथ में नहीं आता है. So like I had to take a bit more time. बीच में like I couldn't work on the book. So I started in 2017. Then बीच में like I didn't get time or I didn't get the flow of it. And then again I restarted working on it. That was in 2021, 2022 May I was completely engrossed in it, and then finally in 2023 and 24 May I worked on the ending of the novel, and finally I I was ready to publish. Then हमको IIP Iterative International Publication से ये chance and opportunity मिला. I'm very thankful to them. So and finally it is out. So it's like a dream come true. Like it's like a child that you know help to grow up, and मेरे लिए ये ऐसा ही था. So it's like full of emotions.
Absolutely, absolutely. I really wish you all the luck. ठीक है? Because जो book होता है ना, I can understand कोई भी author हो, any author, not only you, any author who writes a book actually puts all his emotions, all his words, all his experience inside that book. So it's a part, a piece of an emotion which is there in the book, right? So I really wish you all the luck. एंड प्लीज़ आप सब इस बुक को पढ़िएगा, ठीक है? एंड काइंडली गो थ्रू द वेबसाइट. Please tell once more about the website which they can go through and they can buy the book.
Yeah, it is available now on IIP store. उसका link I hope Manisha will share at the end of this video.
Absolutely.
And I think from next week onwards ये Amazon में भी available हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
along with Kindle and other websites. So I just hope कि आप सब इनको इस book को पढ़े as much as possible, and
Yeah.
please share the feedback.
Absolutely. So the book name is Hopes and Paper Boats. Hope सबके life में होता है, and yeah, it's a hope in his life as well. His first book. सबके लाइफ में रहता है, हमारे लाइफ में भी इवन होप है to do something better in our life. Yeah. So the book name is Hope and Paper Boats. So yeah, wish you all the luck. And as a new author, your new book, your first book actually.
Thank you.
So yeah, all the best.
Yeah.
And all the best for your next edition as well.
Sure. Thank you for this
Yeah.
opportunity and all. I'm really grateful and thankful to you. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
to all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.